There goes the bell.
Finally, I am so hungry right now.
That math class felt very long today.
Yes, the teacher gave us a lot of difficult problems.
My brain needs a break and some food.
Let's go to the cafeteria before the line gets too long.
Good idea. Everyone is running out of their classrooms.
I hope they are serving pizza today.
I think today is Chicken Nugget Day.
Oh, I love chicken nuggets with barbecue sauce.
Let's hurry down the stairs.
Do you have your lunch money?
Yes, my money is in my pocket.
I have my student ID card to pay.
The cafeteria smells very good today.
Grab a tray and a fork over there.
Okay, I have a blue tray and a napkin.
Look at the menu on the wall.
They have pizza, chicken nuggets, and a salad bar.
What are you going to choose?
I think I will get a slice of pepperoni pizza.
I'm going to get the chicken nuggets and French fries.
The French fries look very hot and crispy.
Yes, they just came out of the oven.
Let's get in the hot food line.
The lunch lady is serving the food very fast.
Hello, can I have one slice of pepperoni pizza, please?
And I will have 6 chicken nuggets and fries.
Thank you very much.
She gave me a lot of fries today.
You are very lucky.
Do you want to get some vegetables?
Yes, I will get a small side salad.
I'm going to get some carrot sticks.
Carrots are very good for your eyes.
Yes, and they are very crunchy.
What dressing do you want on your salad?
I will put ranch dressing on my carrots.
I like Italian dressing on my salad.
Now we need to choose a drink.
I'm going to buy a carton of chocolate milk.
I will get a bottle of apple juice.
Apple juice is very sweet and refreshing.
Yes, I don't like drinking milk with chicken.
Do you want to buy a dessert?
They have chocolate chip cookies today.
And they also have fresh fruit.
I will take 1 large chocolate chip cookie.
I will take a red apple instead of a cookie.
You are making a very healthy choice.
I ate too much sugar yesterday.
Okay, let's go to the cashier to pay.
I will pay with my $3.
I will scan my student ID card.
The cafeteria is very loud today.
There are so many students talking at the same time.
Let's find an empty table near the window.
I see 2 empty seats over there.
Follow me. I will walk carefully with my tray.
Don't drop your pizza on the floor.
I won't. I am holding the tray very tightly.
Okay, we made it to the table. Let's sit down.
This is a very nice spot. We can see the playground.
The sun is shining outside.
I'm going to eat my pizza first.
I will dip my chicken nuggets in the sauce.
How does your food taste?
The chicken is very juicy and hot.
My pizza has a lot of melted cheese on it.
Did you finish all your math homework last night?
No, I still have 5 more questions to do.
Do you need any help with them?
Yes, I don't understand the last equation.
I can show you how to solve it after we eat.
Thank you so much. You are very smart at math.
I just practice a lot at home.
I spend too much time watching television.
You should try to study before you watch TV.
That is a very good rule to follow.
What is your next class after lunch?
I have history class with Mr. Brown.
I have science class in the laboratory.
Are you doing an experiment today?
Yes, we're learning about plants and light.
Science experiments are always very fun.
Yes, but sometimes they are very messy.
We're studying ancient Egypt in history class.
I love learning about the pharaohs and mummies.
It is very interesting to read about the pharaohs.
Do you have a history test coming up?
Yes, we have a big test on Friday morning.
You need to start reviewing your notes tonight.
I will make some flashcards to help me remember.
Flashcards are the best way to memorize facts.
Do you want a bite of my pizza?
No, thank you. I'm very full of chicken.
Okay, I will eat them all by myself.
You have a very big appetite today.
I skipped breakfast this morning, so I'm starving.
You should never skip breakfast.
I know, but I woke up very late.
Eat an apple in the morning if you're rushing.
I will try to wake up earlier tomorrow.
I'm gonna eat my chocolate chip cookie now.
The cookie looks very soft and chewy.
It is delicious. Do you want half of it?
Are you sure? You said you were full.
There's always room for a dessert.
Okay, break it in half for me, please.
Here's the bigger half for you.
Thank you. You are a very generous friend.
This cookie goes perfectly with apple juice.
And it tastes great with my chocolate milk, too.
We have about 15 minutes left of lunch break.
What do you usually do after eating?
I usually go outside and walk around the playground.
I usually stay inside and read a book in the library.
You read a lot of books.
Yes, reading is my favorite hobby.
I prefer to play sports and run around.
You have a lot of physical energy.
I can't sit still for a long time.
The fresh air outside is good for you.
Do you want to come outside with me today?
Yes, let's take a short walk before class starts.
We can sit on the benches near the basketball court.
That sounds like a relaxing plan.
Have you finished your lunch yet?
Yes, my plate is completely clean.
I am just finishing the last drop of my juice.
Let's gather our trash on the tray.
Put your empty milk carton on my tray.
I will throw away the dirty napkins.
We have to sort the trash properly.
Yes, food goes in the green bin, paper in the blue bin.
The school is very strict about recycling.
Recycling is very important for the environment.
I completely agree. We have to protect nature.
Let's take our trays to the washing station.
The washing station is very crowded right now.
We'll just wait in line for a minute.
Okay, I dropped my tray off.
My tray is gone too. My hands are empty.
Now we can walk outside to the playground.
The hallway is filled with students going outside.
Keep close so we don't lose each other.
I am walking right behind you.
The air feels very warm and nice today.
Yes, there is a gentle breeze blowing.
Let's go sit on the wooden bench over there.
We can watch the other students play basketball.
They are playing a very fast and exciting game.
Do you play basketball on the school team?
No, I only play for fun after school.
It is a great way to exercise.
Do you want to play a game this weekend?
I am not very good at throwing the ball.
I can teach you how to shoot the ball into the hoop.
Okay, that sounds like a fun weekend activity.
We can meet at the park on Saturday afternoon.
I will wear my new sneakers.
We only have 5 minutes left before the bell rings again.
Time always flies very fast during the lunch break.
Yes, it is the best part of the school day.
I feel much better after eating a good meal.
My brain is ready to learn about science now.
And my brain is ready for ancient history.
Don't forget, I will help you with math after school.
I definitely won't forget. We can meet in the library.
Perfect. 3:30 in the school library.
Look, the teachers are blowing their whistles.
That means recess is officially over.
Everyone is lining up at the doors.
We should go line up too.
Let's walk back inside the building.
Did you remember to bring your history book?
Oh no, I left my history book in my locker.
You need to run to your locker quickly.
My locker is on the second floor.
Hurry up, the bell is going to ring any second.
I will run as fast as I can.
Good luck. See you after school.
Have a great science class.
Have a fun history lesson.
See you at 3:30.
Bye. Run fast.